Good morning, everybody. It is time for Saturday 5 off of 25 Family Dollar haul. So I am currently at Family Dollar and I'm ready to go inside to share with you guys. Now my goal all the time is to get it under $10. Now you might not always save a lot at Family Dollar, but sometimes that's all that people have. Some people don't have access to all this stuff, so that's why I'm here to share with you guys what we can get today at Family Dollar. So let's go inside and see how low we can go. So the first item we're going to get is these Band-Aids for $2.25, and we currently have a $1 off digital coupon that you're going to use, making this just $1.25. And then I'm also getting this Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser that's by DesignerJen for $6. And I'm going to use the $3 off digital coupon, making that just $3. My store has some soft soap body wash on clearance for $3.50, and there is currently a $2 off digital coupon that you're going to use, making this just $1.50. You're going to get the Clorox Toilet Bowl Cleaner for $3.35, but then there is a $1 digital coupon that you're going to use, making this $2.35. The next item we're going to get is one of the Febreze fabric sprays for $5.65. There is a $2.30 digital coupon that you're going to use. You'll get this for just $3.35. And then we are going to get one of the Airwicks essential oils for $6.40, and you're going to use this $4 off digital coupon, making this just $2.40. So this is everything that I'm getting. Total, this comes out to be $27.15. That's crazy, $27.15. We are using $13.30 worth of digital coupons, plus we're going to do the 5 off of 25, so it should be $18.30 of digital coupons. And then we are also going to add that up, and then it should be, if I did my math right, $8.85 or just $1.47 each. So let's go to the register and see how we did. Okay, I was in there and out there pretty fast, you guys. Sometimes I spend a lot of time in there and then sometimes I don't. But my app was kind of acting wonky when I was at home. Like, I was clipping coupons, but they weren't like physically clipping. I had to like get out of my app and then redo it, but everything turned out fine. My math was right on. So $27.15 for 6 items. That is ridiculous, you guys. I can't believe how much prices have gone up, but $27.15. I did get $13.30 for digital coupons, but we also had the 5 off of 25, so it came to $18.30 that I saved. So my grand total was $8.85. That's $1.47 each, which is an okay deal. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to try the Neutrogena cleanser. I've been really into like facial stuff, so I've been really into that. The Band-Aids are like cheap, but that's okay because my kids, like, they'll put a Band-Aid on and then they rip it off within an hour or so. So I'd rather have them use crappy Band-Aids than anything else. But yeah, so I was excited for everything that I got. If you guys enjoyed this Family Dollar haul, make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next Saturday for another Family Dollar haul. I'm really enjoying Family Dollar. I really want to. I want to do Dollar General, but it's just, for me, Saturdays are like my days to hang out with my family, and this is just right down the road from me. Dollar General is like a little bit down the road, but if there's ever one that was near me, I would definitely show you guys deals. But again, make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.